Hello DentalUnboxing.com subscribers. My name is Stephanie and I will be your guest evaluator today. I am a dental hygienist for Dr. Timothy Kosinski. Today we'll be evaluating the M7 HVE Mirror by GoldenDent. So here we have our package that just got shipped. We're going to see what's inside. I'm going to tear it by the tab here. Okay, so we have a white box by GoldenDent, and inside it looks like we have a user guide to help us understand how to plug everything in, how these mirrors work. We have a variety of colors. This is one of the mirrors, and it's on a large suction tip with looks like a cap of some sort, and that will show you the mirror. Around the mirror, if we look really closely, we can see little holes, and that's how the suction tip is going to suck in air and water as it's going around the mouth. Over here, this is going to be the mirror changer. So if over time we still like our suction tips, but the mirror gets scratched, this is how we can change the mirror head. And this is, see here, let's lift it up and get the rest of the pieces out. This is the tubing that hooks into our high-speed suction system. You can see here the mirror fits in very well, and this clamp, it slides in like this. So I'm going to see how all of this fits together with our existing equipment. There's a little nozzle here, and once I have this clamped in where the mirror sits, I know this goes in the bottom, well, it goes this way, then that piece sits into the high-speed evacuation, and then this tube kind of twists into this, and from there we turn it on. Now I want to see how this works in action, so I'm going to turn on my suction here. You can hear it. You can see all these holes around the mirror itself. We'll try it out with some water. Move this out of the way. I'm going to take this out as if I'm using it on a patient. And if we zoom in closer, I'm going to spray some water at the mirror. And if this were to be in the mouth, it eliminates the need for going back and forth between grabbing the saliva ejector, grabbing the high-speed suction, because now we have a mirror all the time and we have suction all the time. Seems pretty cool. I'm looking forward to clinically evaluating this device, the M7 HVE Mirror, over the next few weeks with our patients. Hello DentalUnboxing.com subscribers. My name is Stephanie and I just completed an evaluation on the M7 HVE mirror from GoldenDent. So let's summarize the 5 main characteristics I considered with this product. This product saved me time because you're spending less time moving from the patient over here to grab a different suction and putting your mouth mirror down. It combines the two together, which I loved. It was so simple to integrate this into the practice. It's a simple device. There's not much to it. It's just plug and play. It was very easy to start on day one without much instruction. On a scale from 1 to 5, 5 being simple, I would totally give this a 5. It was easy, anyone can use it. As far as cost goes, I think it's very reasonably priced. It actually combines 2 tools we already have. It would eliminate the need for new mouth mirrors because it has a mirror in it, and it would eliminate the need for the high-speed suction tip because it has that as well. So you're eliminating a regular mouth mirror and your usual suction tip by getting this one device. How this product compares to what we currently use in everyday practice, I would say it's much better because you're combining 2 things that we already use into one. Patients like it because it does cut down on time in the appointment. I'm not moving back and forth. We're kind of just getting through the procedure a little bit more fluidly, and the patient has no problem closing their lips around this mirror. It's very comfortable, just like any other suction tip. I would love to have this product purchased in the practice where I work. It's just very easy to use. The patients seem to like it. It's very comfortable, and it does save on the ergonomics of my body moving back and forth between the patient and the counter to grab a different instrument. So I really enjoy this product. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please hit subscribe to get notifications on future videos.